This week, it's Sharpstown International. The home of the Spartans is a unique school that serves students in grades 6 through 12. Principal Adriana Lopez-Garica showed us around earlier this morning, and she tells me aside from being a tight-knit school community, her campus also boasts many clubs and programs that set her students up for success.
So Sharpstown International School is a very family-oriented community. We have our students be here since 6th grade all the way to 12th grade. We have families coming through. This year I have a family who's now on like their 4th student who's now becoming a Spartan at Sharpstown International School. So that's something very close-knit. We get to know the kids.
I love that. Are there any programs here that are just kind of like standout programs that the kids really gravitate toward?
Absolutely. They love the International Baccalaureate Diploma program. This is a program they're able to take college level courses that really prepares them for that post-secondary future that they are planning for. A lot of our students have the opportunity to take those courses and also be able to, one, not just grow academically, but it helps them with time management. It helps them with understanding what future they're interested in. So that's a really great program.
And be sure to keep it here on HISD Now. All this week, I'm talking to students, teachers, and coaches about all the things, including the IB program, that makes Sharpstown International a unique and inspiring learning environment.